This feels so wrong. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good.
Back from grocery shopping.
How exciting, my goodness.
I went thrifting and like we got some really cute things.
Did you?
Like some really cute things.
Tell me more. I just finished up some phone calls and I have to figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I wanted to vlog this weekend because I feel like there's gonna be a lot of like little things I'm doing here and there that might be interesting to take you along with me for. And also I haven't vlogged in a bit and I know you guys have been missing the vlogs. I've been missing the vlogs. Been so busy with the back to school content, which is usually more structured videos. So I'm hoping this fall season will mean more vlogging. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future vlogs and other videos that I post. I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going through my phone and trying to find photos to print, like get developed. Is that develop them? Print them, print photos. I've been meaning to, for the past probably year, just over a year, maybe a year and a half, I've been meaning to get updated photos for all of the photo frames in my apartment. And I think I want to get them printed today because I believe I can have them printed in about 2 hours, which is pretty good. I feel like it's one of those things that you just get used to having photos on your phone, but I really like having photos of friends and family in my space. And yeah, the photos I've had up have been around for a long time and I think it's fun to switch them out. So it's time to get the updated ones. If you're planning on printing your own photos, I think it's a great thing to do, but it's probably a project that you shouldn't try and rush like I am doing right now. I spent 2 hours on this and I realized that printing 5x7s will not take 2 hours. So I'm gonna press pause on this project and try again another day. In other news, I love this top that I have on right now. It's such a nice basic blousey type shirt, but it's really pretty color. Got it from Aritzia and I actually got a few things from Aritzia, so let me show you. I got another version of this top in a deeper color and I love this color right here. I think this is so perfect for the fall. I also got this bodysuit in this, what is it called? The color Clay Mask. This is a size small and I love like the V-neck on it. It's also got a thong so you won't have any like lines showing. Which I imagine this would be a nice bodysuit to wear underneath a blazer. So you'd probably be wearing dress pants or something. So it's nice that, you know, it'd be pretty seamless. Real reason for the order was getting a pair of dress pants, and these are the Wilfred tie front pants. They've got like back pockets and they also tie. There's like this big, what is it called? Belt? String that you tie. And I heard lots of great things about these dress pants. I personally don't love the tie, but you can take it out. And I just like the fact that it's high-waisted and not too long either. Like it cuts me off right above the ankle. So it's just a really good like staple dress pant. And I have not bought clothes at all in 2020. I think the only order that I put in was for like some sweats at the beginning of quarantine, but I needed some new pieces. And what I really like about these pieces is they're very much so basics. And that is something that I'm just trying to buy more of when I do buy clothes, because I just feel like there's more long-term potential for those pieces. About to head out with my mask, as one does in 2020. Got my bag, or my coat. My bag is right here, and we're good to go. Adventure. I didn't vlog very much because I just feel like when I'm out in public, I don't want to be focusing on vlogging. I'm kind of just focusing on getting in, getting out, hand sanitizing, getting in, getting out, like just trying to get everything done in as efficient of a way as possible. Not really the time to vlog, but I will show you what I did pick up because I ended up going to Urban's, which is a store that I wanted to go to for a bit. They're a store located on Front Street in Toronto, and I love them a lot, so I wanted to go and support them. I went there with the mission of looking at more of their bathroom stuff because I'm feeling like I'm gonna be doing some sort of mini bathroom makeover at some point this fall. And I got some ideas, but I didn't get anything really in particular for that, but I did pick up a few other things, so let me show you. So I got these travel tubes. They were 2 for $6, and the reason I got these is because whenever I do laundry, I have to usually take the whole jug of detergent and fabric softener, and it adds so much weight to my basket, which is not convenient if you have multiple loads to do and I have to keep going up and down with them. So I'm gonna put like detergent in one, fabric softener in the other, and just keep refilling them as I need them. I got a scrubbing brush, a new squeegee from Umbra, which I desperately need to replace my squeegee because I have a glass shower door in my bathroom, and my old squeegee has been around for years and it's starting to look a little nasty. This is so random, but it's from the brand Kickerland, and it's a collapsible bucket. Look at that. I think this is so awesome for cleaning because there are so many times where I'm like, I just need a bucket to like maybe do some water and vinegar and scrub something, and I usually use like some of my bigger mixing bowls, but this is so much nicer, and then it collapses, so it really doesn't take up much space at all. It's gonna fit perfectly underneath my sink. And then from HomeSense, I just picked up this sponge holder for my kitchen sink because I usually put my sponge there and I would like it to just go there. And some felt because this coffee table has been facing some stains. I'm trying to find where it is. Ah, right here. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Discoloration is happening on here from these legs. So I'm gonna put felt on them, and I think I'll just find like an easy stain removing recipe. I don't think it'll be that difficult to get those out, but I don't want it to continue doing that. Start to my Sunday morning, but that's fine. I did some reading, chatted on the phone, and then I got ready. Well, I just did a little bit of makeup, light makeup. I'm cleaning clothes today. As you saw, I am making pancakes right now. My pan is very hot, so I'm gonna have to lower that. But I'm making a single serving of pancakes. It's supposed to make 3 pancakes. I'll probably get 4 out of this. Let me just lower the temp a bit. It's from the website One Dish Kitchen. Fluffy pancake recipe for one. It's very simple to put together. I'll have it linked down below. And I've never tried this one before, but it seems like a pretty basic recipe, so I'm sure it'll be delish. And I added some cinnamon just to give it a fall vibe. And after I finish with the pancakes and I eat them, I'm going to work on the newsletter, because that has to go out tomorrow. If you don't know, I have a newsletter. Ooh, hear that sizzle. I have a newsletter where I send one out, I think right now it's Monday mornings, and this September is all about getting organized. So in this week's newsletter, I'm gonna be sharing a new tip for getting organized. There'll be a link below for you to sign up, as well as links to different freebies that you can get for signing up. Putting together the email. This is what it looks like. Tip of the week. It's a digital declutter week. Advertising all the new content. A book that I'm currently reading. Good stuff. Okay, time to tackle the closet. I've procrastinated long enough. I need to figure out what's going on over here, down there. This unit right here needs a little spruce up. Don't even get me started on the drawers. This one's not, it's not good. It's not good. Okay, we're just gonna close it. I'm gonna pretend that doesn't look like that. As I'm putting clothes away, I'm just using a steamer on them. I just used the steamer on this side versus this side. So it's doing a pretty good job. This is a steamer that I'm using. It's from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description box below. And I just hung some command strips or command hooks on the sides of my mirror to be like a little hanging station. Look at me go, de-wrinkling and stuff. I'm in the process of now tackling this drawer unit, and I just did my bras, and now I'm doing this second drawer. These drawer organizers are just so necessary if you have drawer space to keep organized, because it just keeps things separated. I will link similar ones down in the description box below. I mean, this isn't a very new concept, but I feel like, you know, it's something we still need to talk about because drawer organizers are great. Let me show you what this looks like now. Everything looks so much cleaner. I am so happy. I moved my rack of pants a little bit over so I had some room to put my yoga mat and a bag or whatever else I feel the need to put there. We've got my vacuum because there's no other place to put it here. Shoes, bags, clothes, baskets. All of the baskets have been organized. I steamed a majority of the things that needed steaming, so everything's ready to go. And then with this unit, I kind of got a little bit lazy. I did do the drawers though. Here's the finished product of this one. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And then up here, I really didn't want to even tackle the makeup or jewelry section, so I just tidied it up, sprayed it a bit. I've stained this section here, which is a bit annoying, and cleaned up these baskets, but I'll have to take like another afternoon, or I don't even think it will take an afternoon. It'll probably just take like an hour or two to go through this, but today was not the day. Oh wait, this one. And then I store my laundry basket and fan up there, but that looks good. Hampers over here. It looks super clean, which is what I wanted. I even like vacuumed the baseboard, so it is what I needed to do for this closet for the past few months, and it feels good to kind of have it done now. So now I'm gonna tackle just cleaning the rest of the apartment. Thankfully, I did the bathroom yesterday, so won't have to do that. So I just need to wipe surfaces, vacuum, mop, get rid of the garbage and recycling, make dinner, which I kind of want to order in, have to shower, and then that's done. So it's been a really good day. I'm glad that I did this and didn't go out because these are things that needed to get done. I was this close to the finish line, and then my vacuum stopped working because the filter needs to be cleaned, and when the filter needs to be cleaned, it takes 24 hours for you to be able to use it again. However, when I was doing the surfaces of the kitchen, I was just letting all the crumbs go on the floor, so of course that's the moment the vacuum stopped working. I was like, oh no. But thankfully I do own a broom. I sweeped the place, and I think I'm just gonna wait to wash the floors tomorrow, because then I can pass the vacuum through the floor. Did that make any sense? Pass the vacuum through the floor. I can vacuum the kitchen floor and then mop, but I need to clean this filter now. I don't want to give you like a close-up, but it's gross. Not looking forward to cleaning that. Long weekend to just get a little bit of ahead on some emails and outlining and boring computer stuff, but I'm on my couch today because it is still a weekend, so what a fun time. I'm gonna make a coffee now and then do maybe another couple hours, and I'll make sure that by like 5 I'm enjoying the rest of my evening. I also have Gilmore Girls on in the background. I probably have watched the whole season through like 3, 4, maybe 5 times. I don't know. I watched it a lot, but I haven't watched it in years, so it's just on in the background because I know I won't pay attention to it while I'm doing work. I think I'm on season 4 right now. Usually seasons 2 to 5 I think are like the highlights of Gilmore Girls for me. Season 6 gets a little weird, and then 7 is just a disaster. This is a disaster. Does anyone know that reference? Esteban from Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. Okay, I need a coffee. That's a good plan. I'm glad we're on the same page.